If you don't have a good mic like this one, because you can't afford it, then this video is for you. In this video, I'll be showing how to build a preamplifier which you can use with a dynamic mic or a condenser mic. To build this circuit, I'm using a D882 NPN transistor, but I suggest you guys to use 2SC2240 transistor because it has ultra low distortion and high impedance. After designing this circuit for about 2 days, this is the final circuit, which is almost perfect. I assembled this circuit on the perf board and this is the final look. This circuit can be powered anywhere from 1 volt to 12 volt. High voltage helps the mic to pick more noise. Now to power the circuit, I'm using 2 lithium-ion batteries which are connected in series. And that is 8 volt, which is a sweet spot for this circuit.
And this voice is recorded from condenser mic. How does it sound like? I guess it sounds very clear. Now let's see the dynamic mic. Okay, this is recorded from the dynamic mic. Which mic sounds better, dynamic mic or the condenser mic? Let me know in the comment section. Well, I think dynamic mic sounds better. I feel like it gives more bass to the voice. But yeah, what do you guys think?
If you hear a slight humming noise, wrap a magnetic shielding like this one to reduce the disturbance. That's it for this video. If you liked the video, then please do subscribe. And also, don't forget to comment which mic do you guys prefer. I'll meet you guys in the next one.